Oh, well, after squishing my toes and probably scratching it even more, but I've got it on the horses in the shop. Can shut the door tonight, get the heater going, and see about fixing this spot right here. Probably gonna end up cutting a little bit of that out just to see what's going on there, but we are gonna make that look better. Well, I don't know if it's gonna look better, but it's gonna function better, because right now I'm sure the water would not stay out of it. And then, like I said, there's this one spot here too. We're gonna address that. Looks a little funky in there, so see what we can do. So I think my goal with this sailboat, all in all, is not really to spend a lot of time or effort, or definitely not money on it at all if I can help it. But fix the 2 patch jobs here, or the cracks that we have. Fix the 1 repair by the back rudder tiller spot that we picked out on the first video. And then do like a... excuse my language, a half-ass paint job to it, and then pick out the better dagger board and tiller, and probably sand them and put a coat of epoxy on them, and then fix the sail. My wife's going to help me do that. I talked to her about that. So step 1, let's fix these couple holes. See where somebody laid glass over the old, they laid some glass over the old gel coat. That right there is the gel coat. This right here, if you get right in here, you can actually see that's glass work over this gel coat, and it did not stick very well, because you can see I can just peel it off and there's the clean gel coat. So I'm just going to take what's loose and leave what's going to stay, and then probably build over it a little bit.
It's getting hard to be the best of the best around, although I try.
You see there's definitely some water getting in there because the screw itself is quite rusty.
And all I know is, that every time I'm going down, I just want you around. 'Cause no one else can save me. So come and be my baby. 'Cause every time I'm feeling down, I just need you around. 'Cause nothing else can save me. Come and be my baby. Come and be my baby. I'm feeling lost and full of questions in the night. I'm asking why, but when you're near me, all is found. It's no surprise. I need a little time. Let's pretend you're mine, 'cause I'm alone, and all I know is, that every time I'm going down, I just want you around. 'Cause no one else can save me. So come and be my baby. 'Cause every time I'm feeling down, I just need you around.
We got the boat loaded up. Still early in the season before Memorial Day weekend. And I'm going to head up a little early after work today and try and see if this boat will float. And if it floats, it's definitely windy enough to sail today. So let's get some action.
Bring your love to me. There's no one else I want. No, there's nothing else I need. Can you bring your love to me? Can you bring your love to me? So for one night, let's pretend you're mine, 'cause I'm alone, and all I know is, that every time I'm going down, I just want you around. 'Cause no one else can save me. So come and be my baby. 'Cause every time I'm feeling down, I just need you around. 'Cause nothing else can save me. Come and be my baby.
So on my first trip out on the sailboat, went pretty smooth, but I did notice, I put the boom on backwards. This thing should be flipped 180 degrees because both of my pulleys, that one and the back one, are both on top when they should be on the bottom. So flop that around, and then unfortunately, check out this little plastic piece here, came out of the end of my spar. And you can see the holes are worn right out, so I think I'm just gonna saw that off, drill 2 new holes, and then pop that cap back in. More shop work. Say hi, Izzy.
Hi.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it gives you some encouragement to get out there and find a free sailboat and try out sailing, because there are free sailboats out there. Also, if you made it this far and enjoyed the video, it's pretty much free to hit that subscribe button, so don't be afraid to do that. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day.